I'm Jono, auditing Abacus AI, Poe and Perplexity, to show you the truth behind AI packaging. I wrote the script and hours on the voiceover. Let's start.
None of these three companies built any of the artificial intelligence they sell you. Every model you access through them was made by someone else. What they sell is packaging. One packages it as an answer engine that searches the live web and cites its sources. That one tried to buy the most popular browser on Earth for $34 billion, got rejected, built its own, and is now being sued by the New York Times, Amazon, the BBC, multiple Japanese publishers, an encyclopedia, and a dictionary, all at the same time. Another packages it as a model switcher, where you pay in points that run out faster than anyone expects. That one is owned by a question and answer website slowly being replaced by the same technology it is trying to sell. The third packages it as an operating system for artificial intelligence, with every major model included. The catch is a credit system so confusing their own documentation admits the credits are not tokens and the rates change constantly. Perplexity was founded in August 2022 by researchers from three of the largest technology companies in the world. By September 2025, it was valued at $20 billion, with $1.5 billion raised from investors, including the founder of the largest online retailer on Earth. It processes over 780 million queries a month, with retention around 85%. The free tier is usable. The professional tier runs £20 a month and unlocks unlimited queries, file uploads, and your choice of underlying model. A higher tier at $200 a month adds deeper research tools and access to the most advanced reasoning models available. The product itself does something none of the other two attempt. You ask a question. It searches the live web in real time, reads the results, and gives you an answer with citations linking to every source it used. For research, fact-checking, and pulling together current information quickly, nothing in town. This comparison comes close. It also launched its own browser in 2025, built on the same engine as the dominant browser, with features that let it shop, fill forms, draft messages, and act on your behalf across the web. The lawsuits are not background noise. They are an existential question. One independent analysis confirmed the company uses crawlers with disguised identities to access content from websites that explicitly block automated scraping. Publishers have noticed. The list of organizations suing includes some of the most established news and reference publishers on the planet. The dispute with the largest online retailer specifically alleges the browser disguised automated activity as human browsing to access customer accounts and make purchases. A technology research firm published a report recommending that organizations block this type of browser entirely. If courts rule against them, the core functionality that makes the product valuable could require fundamental restructuring. The $20 billion valuation is a bet on winning those fights. Poe launched in December 2022 as a product of the question and answer platform that has been a fixture of search results for over a decade. The concept is a single interface where you access over 100 models from every major provider: text, image, video, audio. You can switch between models inside the same conversation, build custom bots without writing code, share them publicly, and earn money when other people use them. The entry point dropped to £5 a month in March 2025, down from 20. That gets you 10,000 points per day. The problem is what those points actually buy. Each model costs a different number of points per message. A single image generation through one premium model costs over 300 points. A message to the most capable reasoning model can cost nearly 3,000. On the lowest tier, you could exhaust a full day of points in a handful of messages to the wrong model. Multiple users on review platforms describe paying for a month and running out within 2 interactions. The pricing tiers go up to £250 a month for users who need heavy access to the most capable models. The platform describes itself as an integrated hub, but functions as a router. Your prompt is forwarded to whichever provider built the model you selected. The models do not share context with each other and do not build on each other's reasoning. When you switch models in a conversation, it starts a new call and passes some history along. There is no combined intelligence. The creator economy, built on top, has a reputation problem. Multiple independent reviews from people who built and published bots describe earnings disappearing without explanation, with amounts dropping from expected figures to fractions, with no communication from support. The support experience across the platform, not just for creators, follows the same pattern. Paid subscribers describe submitting issues and receiving nothing back. The parent company's core business is declining as the same artificial intelligence technology it sells makes its original question and answer format less relevant. Whether that makes the platform more committed to succeeding with this product or more vulnerable to resource constraints depends on how you read the situation. Abacus was founded in 2019 under a different name by 3 engineers who previously worked at the largest cloud provider, the largest search company, and one of the largest ride-sharing platforms. They raised over 90 million and built 2 distinct products that share a brand but serve completely different audiences. The enterprise platform handles custom model training, forecasting, and fraud detection for large organizations starting at $5,000 a month. The consumer product is a multi-model assistant called Chat LLM that gives you access to every major model through a single subscription. The value proposition on paper is striking. £10 a month for the basic tier, every flagship model included, an automatic routing feature that selects the best model for your query, a coding agent that hit first place on a major benchmark in November 2025, claimed to outperform every other publicly available coding tool, an autonomous agent that can plan multi-step tasks, execute them, and monitor progress, image and video generation from every major provider, enterprise-grade compliance certifications at a consumer price point. The credit system that powered this until late 2025 is where the reputation damage lives. The company's own documentation stated that credits are not tokens and that they do not publish exact costs per model because the rates are always changing. The autonomous agent could consume a quarter of a monthly allocation in 30 minutes. Some models were labeled unlimited but still accumulated credit charges in the background. Users described hitting hidden limits without warning. A reviewer demonstrating the platform used 20% of their monthly credits in under half an hour. In late 2025, the company launched a new team plan at £10 per user per month, positioned as removing credit limits entirely. Whether that plan is truly unlimited for the most capable models or whether limits emerge under heavy usage is something to verify before committing. Customer support follows the same pattern as the other 2 platforms. Multiple independent users describe submitting requests and receiving nothing back for weeks. The interface has been consistently described as cluttered, with enterprise and consumer features mixed together in a way that makes navigation unnecessarily complicated. If your primary need is current information with sources you can verify, Perplexity is doing something the other 2 are not attempting. The research capability and the browser are the most ambitious products in this comparison. Accept that the legal exposure is real and that the valuation assumes every lawsuit either fails or settles cheaply. If that bet is wrong, the product you rely on could change fundamentally. If you want the cheapest possible access to many models and enjoy experimenting with different options casually, Poe gets you in the door for less than anyone else. Accept the point system, accept the support, and do not build a business around the creator monetization until you have verified it pays reliably. If you or your team currently pay for multiple separate subscriptions and want to consolidate into one platform with agentic tools and compliance certifications at a fraction of the combined cost, Abacus is the value proposition worth investigating. Verify the unlimited plan before committing and test the autonomous agent on low-stakes tasks first. If you primarily use one model, skip all 3 and subscribe directly. The underlying intelligence is identical. Every choice is a trade-off. At least now you know what you're trading.